The journey starts on tropical farms where fresh coconuts are harvested by skilled workers. Next, the coconuts are carefully transported to the factory, ready for the next phase. Once harvested, the coconuts are transported to modern processing facilities. Speed is essential, ensuring the freshness is preserved from farm to factory. Upon arrival, the coconuts undergo a thorough cleaning and sterilization process to ensure purity. The coconuts are then expertly opened using precision machines. Fresh coconut water is extracted instantly, preserving its natural taste and nutrients. To maintain the highest quality, the coconut water is filtered and purified. Every impurity is removed, leaving behind only crystal clear, refreshing liquid. To ensure the highest quality, the coconut water is filtered and purified, removing any impurities. After purification, the coconut water to fully sterile environment, using high-speed automated machines. From tree to bottle, Goa's nature's purity, perfectly preserved.